How's it going today, everybody? My name is Nick Rotter. I am here with Trust Me Vodka, making some cocktails for them today. We're gonna make one of my personal favorites, a drink called The End. So for this one, we're gonna start out with some Trust Me gluten-free vodka. Follow that up with some espresso. A little bit of coffee liqueur. I have a little bit of vanilla honey. Now for this one, you have a couple options. If you want to do a vanilla bean, which is a little bit less sweet, you're going to want to take a few vanilla beans and mix it with some local honey and let it sit in a jar for about a month. If you don't want to wait that long, a little bit of vanilla extract works just as well, and that's ready right away. And my personal favorite food, a little bit of Trust Me Vodka infused peanut butter. Perfect. Now, this one you're going to want to shake the life out of it. And I also have a martini glass prepared with a dried peanut butter rim on it. For this one, you can either count to 30, or when you notice the shaker's starting to get pretty frosty, it's going to have a nice creamy consistency to it. Oh, beautiful. Excellent. Throw a few coffee beans on top for garnish.